Now go to turnkeylinux.org and choose WordPress and download the ISO file. Save it into your favorite folder. Yeah, because I already have it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel. Next, we want to create the new virtual machine in our virtual box. Name it Turnkey WordPress, and then choose the OS version. I choose Debian OS. Continue and choose the memory size. Yeah, 2 GB enough. Create virtual hard disk now, dynamically allocated, and the size of the hard disk 10 GB. Think enough. After that, we want to configure. Go to setting, tap network, and then choose bridge adapter, tap storage. Choose your virtual ISO file you have downloaded. Click OK, then start the VM. After that, install it to hard disk. Yeah, choose use entire disk. Change to this yes. There will be progress bar reflect the copying data to disk. Wait until it finished. Yeah, install the Grub bootloader. Just yes. Would you like to restart now? Yes. Yeah, now we can see our turnkey WordPress will be started. Enter the new password for root account. Don't forget to remember it. It will be useful in the next step. And then for MySQL password, with the account admin, confirm the same password. And then enter the new password for WordPress admin account. Confirm that password again. Then enter your email address for admin account. Apply it, and for initialize hub service, click apply, and yeah, enable the system notification. Yeah, skip this tab for security updates. Yeah, now our turnkey WordPress Linux is successful installed. To test it, we can try to access the IP of our WordPress in our browser. So open your browser and go to the IP 172.20.30. 56. Yeah, your homepage WordPress show you. Yeah, you can try to log in to your WordPress. Don't forget the credential and the password you fill in the previous tab. Oops. Yeah, admin, and you press your correct password. Ta-da! This is your dashboard of your WordPress. Besides that, you also can access the web admin in your browser. Just create new tab and insert again the IP of the webmin 172.20.30.56 with the port 12321. Yeah, insert your credential for the root account. After you successfully sign in into the admin, yeah, you can see list of the system and the dashboard with information of the CPU, memory. Yeah, you can monitor your WordPress from it. Next, we want to set up our Snmp agent in our WordPress. So login to your WordPress with root account. Insert the password. Then update the apt-get update. Wait until your update process is finished. After that, you can install the Snmp agent with command apt-get install Snmp. Wait until it finished. Yeah, your Snmp is successful installed. And copy the file configuration of Snmp. So we can run it, the Snmp agent, and open the file configuration and edit it so the upstream can add our server to be monitored.